I asked my mom to go buy me some Sunny D. She didn't buy me no Sunny D. I got mad at her. I called her the B word. She smacked me in the face with her poop. Look what I look like now. You think this is funny? You think this is funny? This is not funny. They won't even let me into Safeway to buy my own Sunny D. How would you like to look like this, man? It's not funny.